The normal savage coming through in the morning. Hey, it's the normal savage coming through the morning. There's a lot going on, and I just wake up today to say to you guys, it is time. It is time to do what you have to do, and I have a word of the day today. Word of the day today is do what you gotta do. Do what you gotta do. Inside of our family, and so whatever you woke up on today, we gotta go harder. Gotta go harder. Learn that new skill. Teach yourself. Don't be afraid. Not be afraid to start. We all have the thing of being afraid to start, but in the end, guys, in the end, you gotta do what you gotta do. You gotta do what you gotta do in the end, so let's do what you gotta do. Let's do it, guys. Whatever it is that we need to do, let's do it. Let's just do it. Do it with the end game in mind to say, this is what I'm gonna do and this is how I'm gonna do it. Have a plan, ban a plan, but learn how to actually get things done. Learn how to make things happen. Like even in just woke up on that energy of like, let's do what we have to do. 6 in the end, thoughts are popping up and everything's clear. Everything's clear, nobody's disturbing you before the day starts. Whatever decisions you have made and whatever you slept on, you gotta wake up. Whatever you slept up on, you gotta wake up. Free your mind, guys. Let's free our minds. Let's free our minds. Let's learn how to do things. Let's get to it. Because if you don't do it, nobody's gonna do it for you. So let's get in. Catalyst Google just joined. Welcome, Catalyst Google. We are live. Tulufelo also just joined. Welcome, Tulufelo. We are live. We are live. So, gotta do what we gotta do. Christoph and Karin just joined. Welcome. Welcome to the live. Welcome to the live, guys. Just the morning session, and you just gotta do what we gotta do. Let me just flip it for you to see what I am doing, as I know that we have to do what we have to do. Let me just flip the camera, because I'm learning. I'm also new to this thing, but I'm learning. Learning, you gotta learn. Gotta start with what you have. Learn how to go through with what you don't have. And learn the skills. I know a lot of people have been saying that quality that is coming through at the moment is not good. I am starting, guys. You need to understand that. I'm starting. I can start as a Superman. Even though there are people actually doing that, but I'm starting with what I have. I have to do with what I have so that I can get what I need. So I'm doing with what I have so I can get to what I need. Frank Hayes just joined. Francois just joined. Milusi and 90 just joined. Welcome to the live, guys. Lover Girl also just joined. Welcome to the live. Welcome to the live. Yeah, live. So you gotta do what you gotta do, because at the end of the day, nobody's gonna do it for you. You gotta do it. Welcome to the live. Trevor just joined. Both fuck Eba and username Riva. Welcome to the live, guys. Welcome to the live. Welcome to the live. We are live. I just have an important message for everybody to say. You gotta do what you can do ngaloko now. Do what you gotta do with what you have so that you can go. Do what you gotta do. Do what you gotta do with what you have so that you can get to what you need. Do not wait until you have everything in line so that you can go and get what you need. You gotta do what you gotta do, because at the end of the day, Yaku just joined. Welcome to the live. Yaku KD just joined. Welcome. Ante Chef Eddie Lee Hank just joined. Yes. Senzeni lo kufanele ukuthi siwenze, guys. Because at the end of the day, nobody's gonna do it for you. No one is gonna do it for you. You gotta do it yourself, and you gotta do it ngaloko nakho. Do not force ukuthi wenze izinto ube nezinto, because now you will end up in a situation where you find yourself, you are in debt. Uzama ukuthi wenze into ongayazi. Miss Unknown, welcome to the live.